Hi, welcome back, friend. Here in this lesson, you're going to learn about an interesting topic in Lightroom, that is creating a preset. You have wondered how people create a preset in Lightroom, but don't worry, it's a easy process to do. So let's do it. So first thing to do with create when you are creating a preset is to select an image and apply changes to some properties like temperature, tint. Don't go for extreme values. Make a slight change to the default values and you can apply changes to the tone curve. Or sometimes you may want to have something too much clipped like highlights. You can reduce the value, increase the value, and try to make a changes. But when you're creating a preset, don't apply changes to all the properties. Keep some of the properties for the users to perform edit later on. They will get your preset, uh, make some more changes to fine tune their image to meet their requirements, and you have to make them a space, some space. So you can assume a lot of users who will be using your preset don't know advanced Lightroom techniques. So you can apply changes like creating a mask with brush. You can change using the tone curves or the camera calibration itself. Try to make changes for the advanced settings and keep the basic panel almost intact or with a slight changes. Okay, so here we have this scene which have a cloud. So we can create a mask for the cloud or change the exposure and highlight. That will only affect mostly the cloud. The changes will be visible in the cloud, won't be visible to entire images. But be careful when you are creating a mask because mask only applies to a particular area. Okay, some images may not be identical, completely identical. uh, the position of your mask could not be changed. Say here in this image you got a lot of cloud mainly in the left top side of the image, but there could be a different image that will have a cloud on the left hand side only, right hand side only. So this mask could be ineffective in that case, but you can do a lot of things for learning purpose. Then just go to preset. When you are done with your settings, hit this plus icon. You got various options. Create a preset. Provide a name for the preset. Make sure to check all the settings because it will only reflect the settings that you want to apply. And you can create a group if you have not created anything yet, or it will go for the user group. If you are doing this thing for professional reasons, it's better to arrange your presets in multiple groups. And also provide a name for your preset like road trip. Here we are creating a preset for a mountainous terrain with low roads. You can also uncheck a few properties, the settings that you don't want to get affected or saved in this preset, and hit OK when you are confirmed with saving. So here we have created a preset, and you can find your recently created preset under the user preset, and you can add this preset. Just change the image. You can have a different kind of image and apply the same preset to that image, so it will have a changes. With our recent preset we have not altered a lot of properties, so it won't be very effective, but you can change the color of green. You can apply changes to HSL, the camera calibration itself, to the tone curve, and a lot of things. You can also make update changes to your preset once you change the settings. So let's make some little bit changes, like change the highlights to some midpoint and right click the preset, update preset. You will get the same options again. The settings that you want to update, you can update and you can republish. You can open this in the Explorer. You can find it. If you are using Mac or Windows, you will find this in directory. So once you are uploading your preset for various reasons like commercial or any artistic purpose, you can just export this and zip it. You need to just copy this file, the preset file, right click and create a zip file, and you can share the zip file and it will be used across various platforms. You can also add some documentation like some notepad file or a word file for reading purpose, for instructions how to use this preset or describe. You can also create a animated video or some explainer video along with how to use a preset. A lot of YouTubers and other people who create their presets do the same thing. So now you are aware of how to create a preset, how to update a preset, how to package it, and how to export it. So try to create your own preset, keep learning, and keep moving ahead.